Palace Tour ba ang hanap mo? Naghahanap ako ng affordable and magandang Grand Palace Tour kasi I wanna know the history about it. Iba kasi yung may kasama ka. Bonus na lang na may taga-picture ka pa. So, I got the Grand Palace Tour from Klook and used the code HAPPYBCKLOOK. Several time slots ang available. I chose 11:15 and pumunta sa meetup place na nakalagay dito sa instructions and nakita ko na si Kuya. It's so easy to find. When it's time, nag-start na yung tour. Sa meetup point sa tunnel, nag-start na siya agad kasi merong history about it. There's a lot of people nung pumunta kami kaya buti na lang kumuha kami ng tour kasi si Kuya na bahala bumili ng tickets namin. Pwede nga pala mag-borrow ng umbrella here. Pag-enter pa lang, what's a crown na agad ang makikita. This is a very sacred temple kaya hindi allowed ang mga other people to go inside. Pero don't worry, mayroon namang temple na pwedeng pasukin. Take note, you have to remove your shoes and hindi pwede mag-picture or mag-video inside. Kaya hanggang dito lang tong video na to. The Grand Palace nga pala is a walled city within a city. Maraming temples and other things na makikita sa loob ng Grand Palace. Just like this one, no? Look at this one. Gold! Sabi ng guide namin, gold daw talaga to. Approximately 2 hours lang yung tour. You can also choose kung may ticket o wala, pero I suggest kunin mo na yung may ticket kasi 500 baht din per person yun ha. May pa-water pa at the end of the tour. If you wanna book this one, ito siya sa Klook and here are the prices. You can even get 3 to 5% off if you use our code HAPPYBCKLOOK. Enjoy!